तो हमेशा के लिए मेरी हो गई। मिसेस अनोखी, शौर्य से परवाह।
Could not express, like he had a lot of thoughts on his head, but he could not bring it out. He could not just bring it out because he wanted to tell her that, you know, Anokhi, I support women. I'm not against them. It's my mother who left me, and you know, all
exactly. The thing needs to be come out. Absolutely.
And another thought, like, who would have fed her these negative thoughts that would have been running on his mind?
Actually, she's actually just still living on this negative thoughts only, and he didn't get time to explain himself. She just said, I need the answer in yes or no. When you give the option of yes or no, you really don't know why it is yes and why that is no. And he needs time to explain that why that was yes and why it is no. That's it.
He panicked same way when she was leaving for Chandigarh. So he actually kidnapped her even then. So he goes on a panic mode the minute he sees her leaving. So his mind does not. He thinks
he really can't afford to lose her.
To hold her just for some time so that I can get a chance to explain. He was thinking that this is it.
Yes.
I would like to hear because I saw in the comments, I saw everyone talking about how great the writing was and that they were crying and dying. And I know that we were talking about the guest visit and the buttons popping, but if we could, I'd like to go back to the show. And because I didn't get the details, I didn't get the nuances. What were some of the things that that really excited you about the writing? And I heard a lot of people talking about that.
Everybody was gushing in the chat, and I couldn't go back and forth. But tell us what was going on. My babies, and what the hell was going on with that emotion? My babies.
I can start.
A long way confession.
I think.
Yeah.
Exactly, the conversation.
It was very mature, and it was like they were talking about the important things.
That things they have brought out is very important.
It was a clash between love and ideology.
And principles. And
it's
like
the
what
first
the
time
future looks like.
ITV female is talking about her career instead of her love. So she wants to show as a progressive girl who thinks career is more important.
So many things are playing out actually. The love confession and prejudices and ideologies and the limitations of thinking, and then the peer pressure, everything. This conversation was much needed.
More than anything, I think the beauty here was that even though they were poles apart, yet they were.
Can you be a little louder? I can't hear you. I can hear. Can you be a little louder?
Yeah. So the beauty of this whole thing was that. Wait.
Louder.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, no, it's good. It's good.
Yeah. So the beauty of the whole thing was that in spite of being on different pages, they were on the same page. In spite of just being on different paths of life, they were on the path of love. And I think Anokhi is going to realize that very soon.
Shaurya might help her out.
Shaurya really might help her out.
Yeah, because he said it towards the end that we can do it together. We have to
understand each
other. So
this is like a journey.
The point.
I mean, exactly. I love the
communication stance.
But okay, I'll be very honest. But I didn't find that his reasoning convincing enough. That Anokhi was right to call him out. That his perception has not changed because he has changed perception about women in general. It's just he loves her. So it's just him, falling for one woman and changing his ideology for one woman, which is not correct. He really has changed. He has to respect every woman.
Shreya, first time a male lead has not shouted at the female lead for her decisions.
Exactly. Also unpopular opinion,
he was
but what about consent? She didn't consent to getting Sinduro. Like, that was problematic.
Okay.
This conversation needed to be prolonged.
Episode, I think.
Okay, one more thing. I think Shaurya could not express, like he had a lot
Yeah.
of thoughts on his head, but he could
Exactly.
not bring it out. He could not just bring it out because he wanted to tell her that, Anokhi, I
Yeah.
support women. I don't, I'm not against them. It's my mother who left me, and all
Yeah,
the
yeah,
past
exactly,
situation
exactly. The
that
thing
has
needs
to
to
be
be come
lived
out.
out.
Yeah,
Exactly.
absolutely. I
And
totally
another
agree.
thought, like who would have fed her these negative thoughts that would have been
Exactly.
running on his mind?
Actually,
Yes.
she is actually still living on those negative thoughts only, and he didn't get time to explain himself. She
Right.
just said, "Yeah, I need the answer in yes or no." When you give the option of yes or no, you don't know why it is yes and why that is no.
It's no.
So
Right.
he needs time to explain
Actually,
that
he was
why that
not
was yes
given.
and why it is no. That's it.
Actually panicked same way when she was leaving for Chandigarh. So he actually kidnapped her even then. So he goes on a panic mode the minute he sees her leaving.
Yeah.
So his mind does not. He thinks
He really
I
can't afford to
find
lose
one
her.
way to hold her just for some time so that I get a chance to explain. He was
But it's
thinking
not
that this is
right.
it. Yes, that's correct.
The
But he
thing, the
did it
problem
with the
today
panic.
was
The holy
Shaurya could
scene
not
dialogue
speak
comes
up.
in. I could not control
Actually,
myself if you go away.
Yeah, he says that too often now. I think he's like that. She triggers him, and she's been his trigger throughout, right?
Yeah.
Men crying. Sorry. No,
Karan, where are you?
So by doing what she did, Devi really she started her own downfall, and we knew that, but now the drama starts.
Yeah.
Oh my
Now
god,
the
I
real
can't
Because
news
do
now
it.
because now the uncovering of what she did to Astha is going to start first.
Oh
Exactly.
wow.
I think now
Oh,
he's
finally.
Astha is there. Why do you think Astha is
Yeah.
there?
He's going to
Astha is
believe
here
Astha
for
because
a
previously
Confront
reason.
Shagun
Astha told
and
him about
engagement.
anything.
Confront the
He wouldn't
engagement.
have.
Where is he? Is he coming?
We're waiting for him. Where is he? Hang on. Let me see if he's here.
He must be
Participant.
sleeping.
Give
He
him a
has just
call. I
ended
guess
his
he's
classes, I
still
guess.
sleeping.
He might be.
He must be sleeping. He must be
He
sleeping,
must be
tired.
exactly.
sleeping. Must be tired and
Viral, I
sleeping. He just recovered
think,
from COVID, right?
yeah. Plus, I think I have a thing now for crying men. Or is it just crying Shaurya? What do you think?
No.
Vulnerability
He
is very hot in men.
Dude,
He looks so
you
good
guys
in
seriously,
vulnerable
you guys
state.
seriously take us as your shrinks now. Seriously,
Wait.
you guys, acha, the kind of things you come to us for. I'll tell you. Let me give you a list of things. And Chandra has made a list. She actually is sharing this joke with us. Internal joke है हमारा. Shaki fandom का के problems क्या होते हैं? Shaki fandom का problem होता है. आज शौर्य ने अनोखी से
बेहोश हो जाएगा.
ऐसे बोला ये ऐसे क्यों बोला इसका रियल मतलब क्या है तो then we have to counsel you इसका ये मतलब नहीं है इसका ये मतलब है ठीक है so now we have to interpret the dialogues for you ठीक है ये अच्छा आज TRP ऐसे आया इसका मतलब क्या then we have to interpret the TRP for you then we have to really go and talk to Star Plus and figure out Star Plus के अंदर की politics क्या है and then come and tell you तुम्हारा शो safe है हमें वो भी करना पड़ता है उसके बाद हमको जाकर पता करो तो बाकी शोज में क्या चल रहा है वो आके तुम्हें बताना होता है कि तुम ठीक हो यूर ऑलराइट बाकी शोज में ऐसे कोई नहीं चल रहा है तुम्हारे लिए फिर हमको तुम्हारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स ट्रेस करने पड़ते हैं कि अच्छा किसी ने कोई अफवाह फैलाई है तुम्हारे शो के बारे में ये अफवाह इसने फैलाई है तुम्हारे लिए डिटेक्टिव भी बन जाते हैं हम लोग फिर तुम रोते हो कि टीआरपी गलत आया हम रो रहे हैं हम छोड़ के जा रहे हैं हमें तुम्हें मनाना भी पड़ता है हम लिटरली तुम लोगों का वन स्टॉप शॉप श्रिंक डिपार्टमेंट बन गए साइकोलॉजी साइकियाट्री सब कुछ
That's why the fandom is
चंद्रा और एलिस बैठ के मुझे बोल रहे literally they're like we're like the one stop shop for every now we're also the design department and content department and everything happy they're so happy because they also watch the show they love it and they're so happy doing it so now we got to make this thing now we got to host this and I'm like you guys don't even ask any more of the hours you're putting in over there and you know the best part is that
like to thank you on behalf of
honestly I'll tell you something don't thank we're happy we're so excited कि तुम लोगों को ऐसा हो रहा है. You guys are an amazing fandom, and hey, we're glad this worked. We're glad this was exciting for us as well, and हम लोग, you know, we glad this turned out, and we happy, we enjoy it. We really
Yeah,
enjoyed
I'm
it. जब
sure.
तुम लोग रोते हो ना TRP में बहुत मजा आता है, because yeah, you're a slot leader. तुम क्यों रो रहे हो वैसे भी? Just coordinating. We put together an entire leadership team we needed a team to handle all the documentation and all the little things that we were doing for the fan club, putting together list of things to do,
I love you.
making sure. I mean, it was so much work that, I mean, she's been pivotal for the thank you, and the entire leadership team. I mean, everybody who volunteered, 22 people more, right? 20, all the 22 people who volunteered to be a part of that. Oh my God, the amount of work. I mean, we set up new sites, we set up Pinterest, the Google searches we're doing, the Quora questions every day, setting up Quora questions. Chandra and Shreya and Archana, and I mean, so many people, Supriya, I mean, the entire team that comes every Saturday to record for the content that we generate every Saturday. I mean, this is all stuff that's going to build chatter for the show. You're
Exactly.
actually helping the show stay.
You know,
And
since
honestly, this is
yesterday's episode,
I was just discussing it with somebody. What I did today, if you go and listen to that entire interview, listen to every question I asked. Listen to the last 2 tweets that we sent out. Let's read the last 2 tweets that we sent out. Every sentence, every word, everything that we set out over there is basically setting the stage for Star Plus to appreciate what you guys are, the power of the fans. Listen to the interview. The interview starts with हमें बचाओ, तुम्हारे fans तुम्हारे लिए crazy हैं. It starts with that entire thing. The power of the fans is such that you guys are because of your fans, right? So that is a starter, and that should be the starter for the broadcaster is nothing without the fans. The content is nothing without the fans appreciating it, right? And this is how it should be, not the other way around. The broadcaster and the content cannot be bigger than its fans. And that has to be the focus of everybody. And that is what we did today. This is what happened. You guys here are bigger than anybody else. You have to take the power, right? And if you watch the interview, that entire interview is about you guys, the power. And watch it. It is you. And then we did exactly the same thing in the last 2 tweets that we sent out. Appreciating the Star Plus, appreciating Hotstar, appreciating the creatives for empowering the fans again. The fans appreciate you. It is the fans. Nothing. Again, bringing it back to the audience. Because nothing is more important. If the fans don't exist, you don't exist, right?
And that's why we would like to be like everyone to be more active. Like I know you all are very active on Twitter, but please try and divide your time on all social media platforms if possible, like Quora, Pinterest, Facebook, whatever. Like you can pick and choose your social media platform that you're comfortable with.
Yeah.
But please, like according to your expertise, but please do share everything.
Please reach out to all the 22 people that have their hashtag Shaki fan team. We put that hashtag so that you can identify the people who are working already on different platforms. So they've divided according to their expertise and the time they have. They've divided themselves across platforms. So some of them are working on Quora as a platform. Some of them have gone to Pinterest as a platform. They are creating sites. They're creating these assets for you. They're not crying about every Thursday. They're not crying TRP nahi aaya. They're doing something about it. They're being active about it. And what we are doing in the back end is we're giving them the content, we're giving them the assets, we're giving them the guidance so that they can go and start propagating the content. We're giving them the assets. We're just giving them the guidance so that they can start creating and propagating content around these assets, so they can start building the TRP. They can start building a brand. They can start taking it in their hands instead of crying about it.
You know, the online audience are
The
going crazy
Desis.
about the Shaurya episode that recently went out. The whole marriage thing, you know, the entire conversation. Because I have seen so many non-viewers on the tag, and everyone was
Yeah.
appointed to see, and even in the mandir scene that happened.
I
So
have
my
also seen in
Instagram.
the Instagram.
So
in
my
profile.
Instagram, people have been asking me. So it was there in my explore section and other places. So I've been getting DMs that we saw your tweet on Twitter about this. Do you follow this show? So I was like, yeah. And they've been asking me that, you know, how is this show? Should we start watching and certain things? So that
Exactly.
thing really
I
done
mean, this
so well.
promo
I mean, people have been
actually helped.
DMing me like crazy. That please tell us.
Exactly.
Please tell
You know what Chandra did. I'll tell you her experiment. She and Alice, they for 1 month, all they did was they do reviews every day. They take the reviews and they started posting it in Facebook groups where aunties are, normally older people are, right? So they started posting it in Facebook groups of Indian people, right? And they moved the followers for those groups from 33,000 to almost 50,000 over a period of 4 weeks, based on their traction. Followers for each post moved from, when they started, 2,000 followers. Now each post is up to sometimes 100,000 followers. They moved the audience for these posts. An audience wants to see the entire episode, but we don't post episode, we only post reviews. But the way they post the reviews, they make it very interesting for the audience to go watch the show. So they've grown an audience. And what we are telling you to do, take that content, take our content, repost it in 50 other pages. We're okay with it. Take our proprietary content, post it, repost it. We don't mind.
Start with the videos that they put out. They put out so much. See, they are advertised. They are in the business, okay, but still they literally they use their money, their time for this show because they are fans, not because they are in the business of making money. So like appreciate their efforts. Desis put out videos that are supposed to be shorter, but they are making it long just for us fans. So please appreciate that. Listen to their
Propagate
podcast.
these videos.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say is, take all the content we're putting out, repost it, make it viral. Now we're going to put out all these videos. Okay, we make them viral, make it interesting. Why we're doing all of this is so that you can generate interest in your show. And honestly, when you start generating interest, more people will watch the show. You can only do word of mouth. TRP is not up to you, but you can generate interest of people, which will eventually lead for the TRP aunties to watch the show too.
But you know, the people on Instagram directly says that why are you posting everything? Why are you posting everything before telecast and all?
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because
we say to them, but there are some people who say
no, it doesn't matter. I'll tell you what really matters. See, don't worry about why you posting before telecast, after it really doesn't matter to the algorithm. Star Plus and the channels have really very expensive software to track down IP. They don't need you to track down IP for them. They already have very expensive software working for them. They're they have like 50,000 people teams on IP tracking. They don't need you. All right. So if they need to pull down a video somewhere, they will do it themselves. They don't need you. Stop being the cops.
Yeah, but
right? It's not your job. Your job is to propagate by whatever means possible the name of the show and interesting things to the show. Whether you do it before telecast, after telecast. Remember, when you put out teasers of the show and what has happened, it only generates interest. I start watching something when I see a good teaser or good scene or a funny scene or something that pops my interest. I will not see something that I have not seen. All right.
So I have a question. So is TRP only with India? Because I live outside India. So
yes, it's only India. We don't. In America, we don't have Star Plus. We have only Hotstar. In Canada, we have Hotstar Canada. We don't count for TRP. We only watch for TRP. what BARC does is BARC is Broadcast Research Council of India. They have meters which they put in specific houses. So in India, there are 40,000 households where BARC puts a meter. And then in those 40,000 houses, there must be like maybe 40 houses that are supposed to, that are supposed to watch, no, actually 400 homes that are supposed to watch Hindi serials in urban, and this is urban, GEC, which is urban areas. So those Hindi serials, then they are given times at which to watch what. All right. So then they decide what they have to watch. Now, whoever started 7 o'clock watching Shaurya in last year is watching Shaurya now. Now, if one of them stops watching Shaurya today and they move to Udari, the TRP is going to fall. For them to move back from Udari to Shaurya is what takes the TRP to move. Or one household that's watching something else or is not watching anything at the 7 o'clock slot to watch Shaurya is what it's going to take. Or somebody it's just that balance of people watching at 7 o'clock.
So
right?
that almost seems like it's not a very smart way of actually gauging who's watching.
It's not. It's the dumbest way of gauging. I mean, tell us about it, please. Don't let me go down that. if you want to know this, tell. Okay. Watch videos about BARC fraud on our YouTube channel, and you will know what we think about it. But it is probably the dumbest way on planet Earth to do this. However, I'll tell you something. I was reading the other day that Nielsen is completely revamping the way ratings are going to happen for shows next year, 2022. So hopefully that will happen. But BARC is a farce. Also, BARC. So what BARC does is it rates television channels. It rates Star Plus and Z and everybody else. But BARC is owned by the same channels. So basically, I'm rating myself. TRP beats me. I don't know why it exists, but they're all making money off each other, and that's it. So let's just leave it there. But yeah, but advertisers pay because of TRP. Why is TRP important here is because, for example, Shaurya TRP is 1 and Anupama TRP is 3, which beats me because if you look at the demand curve that we put out there, demand curve for Shaurya is 100. That means so many people are demanding. The curve is right up there. That means so many people the demand for it is really high. But Anupama demand is 600 or something. So that means the demand is low for Anupama. Not many people are demanding the title. Not many people are looking for it. So somehow the TRP is high. That means those 40,000 homes are the women that are really looking for it. That's the pocket, literally watching it. So those are the women watching it, but nobody else beyond those women knows who Anupama is for some reason. But those are the women that are not watching like Shaurya because they're not that age group and they don't want to know about Anokhi. But they want to know Anupama because Anupama is destitute and she's, she has a disease and her husband is leaving her. But Anokhi is not.
It was so toxic and it perpetrates
so much just toxic. It is. We did a show about that. Your panel spoke about that, right? Middle class. That entire thing about why middle class women are shown so destitute and why that works for a narrative in Indian serials. So, having said that, sorry.
Thank you for explaining all this process. Like as a common person, we never knew that how these things are measured and how things played out behind the scene. But now I'm glad your team explained everything. And as an audience, I myself learn how these things work, and we never knew before what is going on. And thank you for putting this all together. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for listening, and please be involved because when you're involved, things can change. If you're not involved, then even one person's involvement can change things, right? Because you don't want to live in a society where you can't change things and this keeps going on generation to generation. Because hey, when we didn't do anything about it, we've come to a stage now when our children are gonna inherit this toxicity. Right? We're going to inherit this toxicity where women are treated like this. It's okay for women to be like this. It's okay for women to be destitute. You don't want that to happen, right?
Totally agree. Yes.
Okay. Anyway, so coming back to what we were saying, so that's what they do. They are codependency syndrome right there, and so now you have this pocket of people that are not watching Shorinoki, and that's it. One person not watching it for a day can drop the TRP for a week, and one person watching it more, one extra person watching one episode can up it. So it's not up to you, but what you can really do is increase awareness for it so that one extra person can watch it, or one extra household can decide that this can be an interesting show for their kids, or this can be an interesting concept. And the awareness matters. The awareness in the right pockets matters. And what you can do as people who don't have meters in their homes is raise awareness. And that's what you do when you Google search. That's what you do when you talk about it. That's what you do when you raise awareness about these issues. When we do panel discussions, when we chat, when we Google search, when we have when we do these campaigns across platforms, when we raise when we post pictures, when we talk more, right? What having said that, question, if somebody's giving you a number, please question the number. And this let's not be the women that are getting thrown into scams. We are all educated, we're all empowered. Let's question everything around us, and let's work our way. If this is a problem that every Thursday the entire fandom is crying TRP, sorry, don't cry, fix it. Let's fix it. That's what we did. We put together 22 girls. 22 girls are just fixing it right now. Why are we sending you those charts? We're sending you those charts because we're trying to fix it. We will fix it. We're not going to cry about TRP for the rest of our lives. Because unless we fix it, this is going to happen. Good content is going to go away. And we will never have women empowered in this country, because the women who are in that trap of Bichari are never going to know what is outside of Bichari. Because Ekta Kapoor is never going to let them come out of Bichari. They're always going to be in their dhum tanana mode. It's up to us. Let's do this more often. Let's plan to do this once a month. Watch this show together. Whatever you guys want to do, our platform is here for you. You want to do it on Netflix again? Whatever you guys want to do, I'll make you guys host. Whoever wants to host it, let's know next time who wants to host it. We're happy to do it. Sorry?
Probably key episodes and their analysis, we can do it.
Yes, let's do this for
Let's
every
do
month.
this often. This is fun, and then we can discuss what else. I mean, we're open to ideas. Let's do this more. This is super fun talking to all of you like this.
Miral, my Twitter is flooded with girl crush comments on you. Everyone's crushing on you, by the way.
Hey, seriously? हाँ ठीक है करो
Scott's
करो
left
यार.
now. Yeah,
Yeah,
Scott's left
I
now,
mean,
so
like-
now my attention is all on you.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं कर यार.
Yeah.
Scott पे crush करो please. He loves it जब लड़कियां उस पे crush करती है.